spending time with my Happy Planner. This is the mini dashboard one. And if you're interested in my setup and how I use this, I have a playlist of all my Happy Planner videos that I'll put a card here. So you can check that out and see what's up. But today, I want to do a plan with me because I need to do my spread for the week. And I want to use this very cute Seoul Food Kit from Paper Diet. I did an IGTV haul, I think that was the other day, over at my Instagram. So if you're not following me there yet, I'm Nobody Calls Me Leah there. Please follow me and you can see that video. So I'll zoom you in and we'll get started. familiar with my other Plan With Me videos, you would know that I take a long time to do a spread. I can't seem to decide on where anything should go. I change my mind all the time. So that's why. But anyway, it's done. I really love this kit. I love Paper Diet. I will link to the shop down below so you can check the shop out and see all the cool journal stuff, paper stuff there. And I love Korean food. I love soju, so I really think this soju washi is adorable. Because of the pandemic, somehow soju has become a staple in our house. I guess it's from watching too many K-dramas. But yeah, I think that's the most adorable part of this. And I use the journal card. I use a duplicate one. I have two of these fire chicken noodles one. The other journal cards I plan on using in my actual journal. I also wanted to dip this in. It's a bibimbap journal card that has a note from the seller, but I thought there were too many dip-ins already, so I want to use this in my journal instead. And I agonized quite a bit about where to put these stickers. I didn't want these rectangles to be too close to this bar for some reason, and I didn't know where to put these noodle stickers. So yeah, that's what I came up with, but I think I will probably still change this up when I start writing. We'll see. So if you want to see what happens, I will probably post a before the pen photo and then an after the pen photo over on my Instagram. I'm Nobody Calls Me Leah there. If you're not following me yet, please do, and you'll be able to see what happens to this spread. So there. Here's the inside, so you can see the inside page. I just did stickers on alternating days. So yeah, I'm going to do some memory keeping underneath this journal card too, so that there's just something there. I thought about punching holes here, but I decided to preserve the card. That's why I just used washi. And I think that is it. I'll see you again next week for another video.